Welcome to my Therapeutic Lifestyle channel. First, before anything else is said, I want to thank you all for taking the time out to come into the life of C. Jax. It's my pleasure to bring you guys a therapeutic lifestyle, which will consist of therapeutic fitness, therapeutic massages, therapeutic food preparations, and other therapeutic content daily. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the top of the channel. You don't want to miss a therapeutic touch on your life. What's up, my therapeutic people? How y'all living out there? Hopefully you guys are therapeutically living, getting you guys some nature and getting that natural vitamin D from the sun. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys another video because we're showing the garden part 2, and it's from May to July. Alright, so here we have parsley, thyme, basil, and tomatoes. These have been here since June. It's July, and once it get a certain size, we're going to transfer it into the ground or to one of our big bins containers. And we also have some basil down here. You see all the compost and things like that. It got watered a few moments ago, and this the sun soaked up this water, so the sun is directly on there. So once it's get a certain size, we're going to transfer it. And again, this is from June to July right here. And we've harvested the lettuce 4 or 5 times. And once you cut it a certain way, it's going to harvest again. It's going to keep harvesting. You don't have to transfer it. You can just leave it in the pot. So we did that about 4 or 5 times, and now it's growing back. And you see the slideshow and the preview of all that we have from May to July. And you also see us harvesting the lettuce. This right here is parsley, and this has been here since June 9th, and it's now July 23rd. So this is what it looks like. This is parsley. All right, and this down here is turnips, and right here we have the label, but now it is July, so you see how that turned out. All right, and this is the current state of the eggplant. This was planted in May, our eggplant. As you see, it has flowers on. It'll be ready to bloom soon, so we can harvest them when they come. Right down here we have tomatoes. Tomatoes was planted in May, and it is July, so this is how it's turning up. And you see those little flowers right there. Oh, that's from the other plant. All right, and once the flowers come, those are the boys, and then you have the girl that'll come, and then it'll be ready to harvest. So that's what it's looking like now. This is planted in May. All right, and these are our green beans. We've already harvested green beans. You'll see it in the slideshow. I have some in the freezer. So these are planted right here. These was planted in May. They were planted in May. So this is how they look now. And you can replenish the green beans as well. You don't have to pull them up. And as you pick them, they will grow again. Once you harvest them, they will bloom again, so you don't have to worry about picking them up. All right, and this is another pot of tomatoes. We planted this in June, so that was in May. This is in June, and once they get a certain size, we're going to transfer them to the soil. Right here we have watermelon, and we planted these in May. So that's how they look. We had them in a pot at first, and then once they got a certain size, we dug a hole deep into our soil and we placed them in there from the pot. All right, and these right here is our radish, and we have a sprouter. So that's little guy right there. Was this guy right there. These guys were just planted in June. So now we're a little square crow out. Keep away the birds and the worms and the insects and things like that. And these are our squash. They were planted in May. So this is how they look now, July. They're really not doing so well, but we're trying. And right here is our pumpkin. Also not doing so well, but it was planted in May as well. So once it got a certain size in the pot, we transfer them to the soil. So this is another raised garden. We're waiting to put them in the ground. These was planted June 9th. So right here we have cucumber. These are peppers, red peppers, green peppers. So we kind of combined our peppers a little bit. These were peppers planted in June. So right, cabbage, and this is cauliflower. The dry seeds that I dried in my previous videos from the peppers. Our enchilada video, so did it on various videos. So you can dry your peppers out of your jalapenos or any type of pepper that you have, and you can regrow them. You can just place them in a pot, place them in the ground, and they will sprout up like so. I have spinach right here. Also, all of our raised garden right here was grown in June. So this is how it looks right now. Here is carrot, and you some more, compost for our compost when we put things in the ground. So we're just stocking up our compost, and you'll see what we did with the watermelon in another video. So this is the kale. We also planted this in June.
And sage.
We planted that in June as well. Guys, thank you guys for watching. Now I'm chilling in the garden, and to keep these damn mosquitoes away, I made some natural insect repellent. I'll be showing you guys how to make that in another video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you guys stay to watch the preview and the slideshow of the garden from May to July. So sit back, relax, and chill with me. Thank you for watching, and have a therapeutic living. are you choosing to focus your energy on? We all hold a divine and powerful choice. Don't feel guilty for doing what's best for you. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, give thumbs up, share, and leave a comment on what you want to see me do next. Thank you for watching. On to the next video.